Okay, both engineers now, talking to both of you. This is important. You are the only ones that are able to do this, which is manage the inventory from the supplier. So because I've got both of you doing this, I want you to make sure everybody's got inventory for day one. You need to manage it. So between the two engineers, engineer number 2, who is closest, or if she's closest to workstation 6, I want you doing this, okay? Let's start with that being the priority. If engineer 2 forgets, engineer 1 has to do it. So at the bottom, and you can see where we are on the map, okay? At the bottom, there's all this stuff here. It's called inventory, and it's a day's worth of inventory. I'm planning to make 15 for today, which is 5 more than our standard. But I want you guys to be busy and happy, so I've ordered extra inventory. Now, what does engineer number 2 do? At the beginning, in order to get started, I would like you to highlight by pressing Shift and holding Shift. Select everything in yellow and press and hold Control, then D. Then you have to wait. If your computer's slow, you might be waiting 30 seconds, a minute. I just did it when I said Control D, and look how long it's taking me. And I've got great internet and a pretty good computer. So again, I'm waiting. There it is. Okay, after you press Control D, wait. Then what you're going to do is you're going to, the reason we're doing this is to populate one of the tables. You're going to use the move button and move the inventory somewhere, okay? I'm at workstation 2, so I'm just going to put it below here for now. I'm going to show you what you need to do now. If anything's locked, unlock it, but now what I want you to do is click on the header of the area. This is called an area, and then I want you to delete. You have options here. It says delete area and content, which will delete everything in it, or the area only, which is what I want you to do. So delete the area only. As soon as you click, the yellow goes away. Now, important. First thing you do is let's get these stickers, which are inspection stickers, out to, oh boy, now look at this. I can barely see. I'm going to leave them here. I'm going to zoom in. You see these here? These are from before. So I'm not going to use those. These are today's stickers. Now, you'll see what happens. Workstation 5 is going to use those, but just leave them there for Workstation 5. You don't have to lock them down, but they have to be ready for Workstation 5. So the stickers, the inspection stickers are done. And it says Micron on them. Great. Next, you have extra fixtures if you need them. Now, where do these go? They go to Workstation 3. Now, because they're out of alignment right now, because I moved the table earlier, I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to put the fixture here, and because I'm a good person, I'm going to lock this fixture down in Workstation 3. The second one, fixture, goes in the corner, and it's the blue table, so I want it to go here. There. I just put it over. I could have deleted the old one. It doesn't really matter in that. Actually, I should. So let's go back. Let's delete the old one. And I know this one is above, and I'm just going to put it here. It just says it's the blue fixture, the blue table fixture for the white airplane. Okay. Now we have all this inventory sitting here. Here's what you do. You want to move this inventory and get it ready for the entire day's production. So what I'm doing is I'm looking at the 4 pin pieces, which are the bottom row to the far right of the bottom row, there are the 4-pin pieces. I'm going to put them into that area right in the center where it says 4-pin. If I let go and I click away, everything is set up perfectly. That's it. Now that inventory is ready to go. Any one of the engineers should do that job. Nobody else should do it, just the engineers. But you're in a dojo. You can do whatever you want. Okay. Go to the next video.